Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Human Diseases and Genes. Today I will discuss about Tay-Sachs disease. Tay-Sachs disease is a rare inherited disorder that progressively destroys nerve cells in the brain and spinal cord. It is a type of lysosomal storage disorder, meaning that it involves a defect in the body's ability to break down specific lipids due to a deficiency of a particular enzyme. This disease is particularly known for its severe impact on infants and young children, leading to neurological decline and early death. Tay-Sachs disease affects approximately 1 in 320,000 to 1 in 4 lakh live births worldwide. It's a rare genetic disorder. Tay-Sachs disease is categorized into several types based on the age of onset and severity of symptoms, like infantile Tay-Sachs disease, juvenile Tay-Sachs disease, and late-onset Tay-Sachs. Symptoms of Tay-Sachs disease are motor and cognitive regression, severe developmental delays, vision and hearing loss, seizures, muscle weakness and paralysis, and psychiatric symptoms like depression or personality changes. Cherry red spot in the eye is a characteristic feature of Tay-Sachs disease. Tay-Sachs disease is caused by mutation in the hexosaminidase A, HEXA gene, which is located on chromosome 50. The HEXA gene provides instructions for making a part of enzyme called Beta-hexosaminidase A. This enzyme is crucial for breaking down a fatty substance called GMT2 ganglioside within the lysosome, which are cellular components that digest and recycle waste material. Tay-Sachs disease is inherited in an autosomal recessive manner. In Tay-Sachs disease, mutations in the HEXA gene led to a deficiency or absence of beta-hexosaminidase A enzyme activity. This causes GMT2 gangliosides to accumulate to toxic levels, particularly in neurons, leading to progressive damage and death of these cells. HEXA gene is located on long arm of chromosome 15 at Q23 position and consists of 14 exons. Size of HEXA gene is about 35 kb and encodes proteins of amino acids. This is all about Tay-Sachs disease. Remember, understanding diseases help us all stay healthier. Thanks for watching. So today we learned about Tay-Sachs disease, its causes, symptoms, and how it affects the body. If you found this video helpful and learned something new, please like this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more health insights. Share this video with friends or family to spread awareness. Drop a comment. I would like to hear from you. Thank you very much.